Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making a really fun little project. They're going to be little mini succulent eggs, and so I'm going to just get started and then I'll explain a little bit more at the end. So this is kind of my supplies right now. Here's a bunch of succulents that I propagated. I will not be using this one, he's a little too big. But as you can see, these are pretty small. They're about the size of a thumb. And then a couple other things I have are just these sewing clippers and this makeup brush. It's really fluffy, it gets the dirt off really nicely. And then over here I just have some sphagnum moss. This is a really good planting medium. So now you're going to start by putting your biggest one or focal point in first. And so I think I'm going to use this guy. And I'm going to put him towards this lower edge here. So all you need to do for that is put a little hot glue on the stem. Stick him into the moss and then just hold for a couple seconds here. So I'm just gonna answer a couple questions that I know I'll probably get asked about this arrangement. So one, the hot glue that I used to glue down the succulents into the sphagnum moss doesn't hurt the succulents one bit. Okay, so to water this, I just run it under the sink for a couple seconds, fill up the eggshell with water, and then let it sit in that water for about 30 minutes, and then I pour out the rest of the water. This does a good job at letting the sphagnum moss soak up all that water, and then it doesn't ruin your egg carton that you put it in either. I have to water about probably every 4 days. The sphagnum moss does dry out a lot quicker than succulent dirt, and so you do have to water a little bit more, especially if it's in a sunny position. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great Easter. Comment below what your favorite one was, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Okay, bye.